Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Atomic Wallet. To sign up for Atomic Wallet, first of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Atomic Wallet app on your mobile device and then launch it open. From the first interface of Atomic Wallet, tap on Create New Wallet. Now, you will need to set a new password for your wallet. Go ahead and create a new password and type it down in the text box. After creating a strong password, tap on I accept box at the bottom and click on Set. Confirm your password by retyping it again on the next field and tap Confirm. Wait for a few minutes and your wallet will be loaded. If you want to turn on notification setting, tap on Allow on the pop-up. If you don't want to do that, you can tap on Don't Allow. Enable fingerprint or Face ID so that you can keep your wallet secured, and you can use this fingerprint and Face ID instead of using the password to log in. If you want to do that, tap on Enable fingerprint/Face ID. If you don't want to enable it, you can tap on Skip. Now, you will be presented with a 12-word seed phrases along with the QR code. This is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access to your device. So write down these recovery phrases or seed phrases in a safe place and keep it private. Do not share it with anyone. Copy the mnemonic phrases by tapping on Copy to Clipboard and paste it in a secure folder or file. Once you are done, you can tap on Start using Atomic, and there you have successfully created a new wallet for Atomic Wallet. You can now store, send and receive various cryptocurrencies within the wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with these helpful videos. Thank you for watching.